Hello, my dear students. I'm here with a different video. Today, I would like to share some tips on how to study maths. The first thing is how you approach the subject or the way you approach. It can be maths, science, or any other subject. Some students think it is an enemy or someone like it's none of his business or they can never do it. To be a topper in your class, you need not be a teacher's child or you need not go even for a tuition. You can seek help of your own teacher, make use of internet, you can study yourself. Self-study is important. Just love your subject, consider it as your best friend. Then you can make your subject a habit. We are not really lazy to do things that we like. So if you love your subject, you yourself will find time to go deep into the subject. So the first tip was make a friendly approach to your subject. We can discuss about maths. Maths, when looked at with clarity, can be very interesting subject. The faster we cozy up to it, the more adventurous it becomes. The way or method of studying maths is different. So the next thing is the method of studying. You cannot be thorough with maths just by reading or by hearting it. It's not a parrot memory subject. It's about understanding the concept and solve problems as many as you can. So the second tip I share is understand the concept and solve problems. Rote learning is not suggested in case of maths. The only way or the best way to study mathematics is to do mathematics. Read the concept till you get an idea and note down the formula. Then try to solve problems by your own. You have solved examples in your textbook and many more exercises with the answers given but not the procedure. Try to solve these questions and check for the answer. I suggest to solve all the exercises you have given in your textbook. Your teacher may not get time in your classroom to do all the exercises as they have to complete the portions. So you yourself make a separate notebook to solve exercise. Try your maximum. If you are not getting, seek help of your friends. Using more brains will give you the result. Or you can search online or internet or take help of your teacher itself. So the third tip is seek help or make group study. Also, try to explore more problems. You can download as many questions from internet or online medias for free. So the fourth tip is practice as many problems as possible. The more you practice, the greater excellence you achieve. You will need to solve questions of varied variety and type to practice. Use half an hour daily for practicing questions or do 5 problems a day. You can see the difference. Did you know something? Apart from getting good marks, learning maths or solving math problems have many more advantages. Like it improves your memory and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. It also freshen up your mind or make your mind free so that it reduces the risk of dangerous conditions like depression. Do you wonder? If you approach it in a good sense, you will get addicted or get affectionate with that subject. It's such a wonderful subject. The pleasure that we obtain by solving some tricky or so called difficult question is beyond words. You may feel like conquering the world. To make your study more easy and interesting, you can play games related to maths with your friends so that it becomes part of your fun activity and not a stress point. So, the tip number 5 is make study fun through creative games. Also, you can relate it with real life examples. Maths is everywhere in our day to day life. For example, if you are learning the concept of volume, you can solve problems related to water tanks, a glass of water, or oils that we use daily. Like that, the concept of LCM or HCF, you can search for examples in Google. So, the sixth tip is relate it with real life examples. Next thing is to write down and learn formulas. I have already told that you have to understand the concept and practice problems. To practice problems, you have to memorize the formula. You can write them down as sticky notes, put them above your study table or your study room wall or wherever it is that your eye catches the word. The more you see it, the more it becomes the muscle memory. So, the seventh tip is write down the formulas and stick it on your room to catch your eyes. You can use this method even in your classroom. You can make a chart of formulas and stick to the one, or place it where it can be visible. You can just cover it during your class tests. Now, to score good marks, we can just have a look at how to approach your exam. In the examination hall, you may have 15 minutes of cool off time. Just be cool and find easy question or the questions that you may know the answer. And also keep difficult questions aside so that you focus on first completing the questions that come easily to you, and then solve the difficult ones so you have enough time left to think. And also make a habit of trying those questions after the exam. You can discuss it with your friends and find solutions and learn for next time. So the eighth tip is repeat your exam questions on your exercise book by yourself. The environment you study is also very important. Like, don't study in a dark room, noisy room, etc. You can even study from your surroundings, breathing fresh air. So, the ninth tip is choose good environment to study. Last but not the least tip is keep your gadgets like mobile phones and laptops away from you while studying. They can distract your study and concentration. So, study focused and make your future bright. All the best, my dear students. I just shared my thoughts. You can share your thoughts as well in the comments. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.